Hello everyone, welcome to SRG Technical YouTube channel. In last video, we have seen we have started first unit of energy conservation and audit, energy conservation basics. In that unit, we have seen meaning of energy conservation and need in present scenario. Its need in present scenario. Second subtopic, we have completed classification of energy sources. Classification of energy sources. And in third subtopic, we have detailed seen about each and every types of energy sources, just like primary energy source, secondary energy source, waste energy, renewable energy source, non-renewable, commercial, non-commercial. And one more thing we have seen, final energy. How get the final energy? We have seen in last lecture. Again, subtopic number 4, we have seen comparison between commercial and non-commercial energy sources. Comparison between commercial and non-commercial energy sources. Now, in this video, we are going to learn national scenario of energy, राष्ट्रीय परिस्थिति, total installed capacity of electric plants fuel wise. These are things we are going to learn. Okay, so start. National scenario, राष्ट्रीय परिस्थिति. Question this question is asked in summer 12 MSBT exam. The question is, explain economic aspects, आर्थिक पैलू, environmental aspects, पर्यावरणीय पैलू, and conservation of non-renewable energy aspects of energy conservation. Conservation of non-renewable energy aspects of energy conservation. Let us see answer. The Indian economy is experiencing an unmatched growth over the last 5 decades. The Indian economy is experiencing an unmatched growth over the last 5 decades. Energy sources are being subjected to enormous demand due to continuous growth of economy, energy demand and supply imbalances is getting widespread, which is undesirable and demanding steps towards augmentation of energy supplies from government. Once again, we will see energy sources are being subjected to enormous demand. Okay, energy sources are being subjected to enormous demand. Enormous demand means prachanda magni. Due to continuous growth of economy, energy demand and supply imbalances is getting widespread, which is undesirable and demanding steps toward augmentation. Augmentation म्हणजे वाढ of energy supplies from government. Coal dominates in the mixture of large number of energy sources available in India and seems to be continued in features as all. Around 64% of total installed power generation is coal based. Around 64% of total power installed is coal based, which shows coal dependence of India. Which shows coal dependence of India. Renewable sources share 34%, including hydropower, and nuclear share 1.9% of total fuel mixtures. As far as power sector is concerned, India is third largest electricity producer and third largest consumer of electricity in the world, with total installed capacity 3,50,162 megawatt. Sector-wise distribution as follows. Sector-wise distribution as follows. State owned utilities 84,634 megawatt. Central owned utilities 1,04,039 megawatt. Private owned utilities 1,61,487 megawatt. Okay, these are the sector, state, central, private, and installed capacity in megawatt percentage. State 84,634, percentage 24.2%. In central level 1,04,039 megawatt, and in percentage 29.7%. And in private utilities 1,61,487 megawatt, and in percentage 46.1. Source Central Electricity Authority. Okay, this information is getting from CEA, Central Electricity Authority. Okay, this is the national scenario. Total installed capacity fuel wise. Total installed capacity fuel wise. Table 1.2 shows total installed capacity fuel wise. Sources, these are the sources: total thermal, coal, lignite, gas, oil, hydro, renewable. Installed capacity for total thermal 2,22,927 megawatt, percentage 63.7 percentage. Okay, lignite, sorry, coal 1,91,093 megawatt, in percentage 57.6. Lignite 6,260 1.8%. Gas 24,937 megawatt, percentage 7.1. Oil based 638 megawatt, 0.2 percentage. Hydro renewable 45,399 megawatt, 30%. Okay, now this table: source, nuclear, renewable, total. Okay, nuclear, renewable, and total. Installed capacity in megawatt 6,780 megawatt, 6,780 megawatt, in percentage 1.9%. Renewable 74,082 megawatt, megawatt, 21.2%. Okay, total installed capacity in 3,50,162 megawatt. Source, this information also get from Central Electricity Authority. Renewable energy sources RES include small hydro project, biomass gasifier, biomass power, urban and industrial waste power, solar and wind energy. Okay, the energy demand supply, the energy demand supply position of the country from last few years can be observed in the following table. The energy demand supply position of the country from last few years can be observed. Energy demand supply position. Okay, this is the energy demand supply position. Okay, year 2009 to 10 up to 2018 to 19. Okay, 2009 to 10 requirement in unit, mega unit 8 lakh 30,594. Availability in mega unit 7 lakh 46,644. Surplus in mega unit minus, surplus minus 83,915. Deflects percentage minus 10.1%. Okay, this is in form of 2009 and 10. This is the requirement and availability in mega unit. Okay, 8,30,594. This is the requirement of energy in mega unit. Availability 7,46,644 megawatt. Surplus means minus 83,950 per megawatt. Okay, minus 10% deflects, minus 10.1% is deflect in year 2009 and 10. In condition 2010-11, requirement 8,61,591 megawatt, mega unit. Okay, and availability is 7,88,355 mega unit availability. Surplus deflects minus 73,236. This is the deflect in percentage minus 8.5% deflect in year 2010 and 11. Same we are seen directly For 2016 and 17 year, requirement 11 lakh. Okay, requirement is increased as per year 2009 and 10. In the year 2016 and 17, requirement of energy generation in mega unit is increased 11 lakh 42,929 mega unit energy is required, and availability is 11 lakh 35,334 mega unit. There is again deflects by minus 7,595 mega unit. Okay, in percentage minus 0.7% deflects. In the year 2018 and 19, requirement 10 lakh 65,900 mega unit is requirement, and availability 11 lakh 59,014 mega unit. Okay, this is surplus 6,886.06. Okay, minus 0.06 up to February 2019 provisional source ECA. This data is getting from CEA, Central Electricity Authority, up to February 2009 provisional data. Okay, according to National Electricity Plan of 2018 prepared by Government of India, country does not need additional conventional power plants in the utility sector until 2017. With the commissioning of 50,025 megawatt coal-based power plants under construction and achieving 2,75,000 megawatt total installed renewable power capacity after retirement of nearly 48,000 megawatt old coal fired plants. Old coal fired plants. Okay, this is the national scenario about energy we are seeing. Okay, so keep watching next videos, SRG Technical YouTube channel.